committed to global leadership in special printing and materials.
Today we are going to demonstrate FX3305 printer. Enjoy your journey. These components are the regular set. They can vary depending on your order. When your media is too long to be held within the printer, you can set up an external holder. It's important that you buy the media inner core that is larger than 1 inch 24.5 millimeters. Otherwise, you need to re-roll the inner tube. Our holder is designed to support both roll and zigzag types of media. Load width up to 116 millimeters. Loading thermal transfer ribbon often becomes a nightmare at the beginners. But here's a trick to load with the right side. Remember to put the matte sides face down and the glossy side faces up. Also, try pasting with tape to see if the color comes off. Your TTR width should always slightly larger than the media, ensuring printing quality. Now installing the recycle spindle. You can roll it a few times or secure it with tape. Beware of TTR wrinkles, it can cause missing areas on the printed surface. Pull apart the stabilizer at both sides. The media material needs to pass under the printer sensor and then exit under the cutter. Close the print head and the cover. External media holder media slip into the gap behind the printer. Now we are ready to print. Please move on to the next part, where we are going to teach you use FX3305 to print.